this is my life right now. I usually go to bed about midnight and then I wake up at 3:30 and then I have to force myself to sleep in until at least 5:30 because there's so much going on that I want to do, and like usually I'm a really good sleeper, but I have not been sleeping well lately. And it's not the clock ticking, it's the rent ticking. Like, this rent is high. My sister told me not to tell you how much the rent is, but every day that goes by and the store isn't open is just more rent going. The goal is to be open by this weekend so that we have at least a week of practice before the grand opening. Now I'm going to show you what we did this week. Trying not to be stressed out. So grateful for this space, so excited. But also I have all these out-of-town guests coming, and my house is a disaster area. It's, as my sister Janina would say, it's an apocalyptic mess. Volunteers have been showing up, and it makes your brain turn to jello. It's like brain yoga. Ellie's candle bar is back there. Danielle painted the stools yesterday, and Melissa gave me the bar. There's our Don't Give Up the Shipwrecked Crew sign, and the beginnings of the jewelry bar and the craft supply bar. So this is where we're gonna put the brushes. They're all gonna hang on these pegs. My dad put it together. I took all the brushes off and painted it. I painted around the baskets because I can't find the drill to take the baskets down. So I wanted to get it done, so that is what I did.
So this girl's up in the window for now. Hi, how you doing? Looking good. You're just gonna get some flamingos to walk pretty soon.
How do you feel?
Ah!
What's gonna happen?
We're getting the truck.
What?
I just saw it. Where are you going? Come back.
It went over there. He's coming around the mountain, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
It'll be coming around the mountain. Yes, it's coming to Diablo Go. Yes, it is.
It's gonna go right here, you guys, right under the marquee. Woo, woo, woo! You guys, here's the truck. See it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Hey, Dad, are you excited? Look, Levi can't wait either. He's in the window. He's like watching from the window.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here it comes. It's going in. It's going to its home. So they're offloading it, and they said that even with the flat tire, we should be able to roll it so that it doesn't block our loading door. And then we're gonna doll it up. I'm so excited! Are you excited? Oh my gosh, Grandpa.
Look at my candle room. Oh yeah. What do you think of my brown hair? You like it? I love it. Everyone, look at her hair. No more red.
Switching it up again.
Look how cute.
I got bored.
Steve is helping me load up the truck with decrepit furniture. He's the king. Well, yeah, that's perfect, Steve. What do you think? Looking good?
Yeah.
We put the gravel around. Steve shoveled all that gravel. And it's gonna look, the goal is to make it look like somebody was delivering furniture 100 years ago, broke down, and then the plants just grew in and up and around. I think we're achieving the look.
It's getting there.
It's getting there. Danielle, how are you feeling about the truck?
It's so cool.
It's looking good, huh?
Yeah. I love these wraparound ones.
Me too.
They're so cute.
Where's Ellie? Oh, there she is. What's going
Today
on?
is the day. What's up?
What are you doing?
I'm making candles.
What is this?
This is my new candle station, and this is a candle bar right here. It's all coming together,
So people can sit down at the candle bar in these bar stools?
and they can watch me hand make all the candles.
Can they order up a candle?
Yes, they can, and I'll slide it down.
Levi,
Excited.
Levi, are you wanting to make candles too?
Levi, candles?
So
This is my new room.
I was thinking that we should come up with a fall flavor.
I'm thinking so too, but we need your guys' help, like some ideas, so we can do what you guys want. We have so many good scents that we haven't used, and I think we need to bring out new color.
So give us some ideas in the comments of
Give us
what
some ideas
color
what
and
color, yeah.
flavor that we color that we haven't used already. We've used 11 colors, right? So we have like so many more colors to use. What about that sriracha scent you were thinking
Oh
about?
my gosh, it actually smells so good. It's like, I think it's orange, it's something like that. What was it? Like, it's like a citrus sriracha or something. But there's some other really good ones, like peach cobbler.
Could we use the fire starter color for the sriracha?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Can you kind of give us a little overview of how you
Yes,
do the candles?
just a little overview. So this is my candle machine that I got, so I don't have to go to the stove. And I basically scoop like 20 buckets of these to fill it up.
20 buckets.
20 buckets of this wax.
And what kind of wax is
This is premium soy wax from Candle Science.
Okay.
And I'm gonna set it up. This is my first time working in this station, so I'll set it up with all the scents. And here's the colors. While the wax is melting, I'll wick all the candle jars. And yeah.
You know what would be so fun is like say someone has like a precious teacup or little bowl from
Yeah, I
their
could pour it
family.
in there.
They could bring it in
That's
and you
what-
could
yeah.
make a special candle for them.
I could
Oh, I love that.
bring in a hat and I'll wick the hat.
Yeah, or like maybe they had a pet that's in heaven now and they could bring in their dog bowl and you could make like a dog
yeah.
biscuit scented candle.
A dog biscuit. I could. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we have a lot of scents.
I'm super excited.
Okay, are you kidding me, Levi? Levi, you can't be 1 inch away from him.
You just need a regular.
Good. It's gonna be so good.
It's amazing. Can
Oh.
you guess?
It's got a truck on the back.
Guess what color it is? It's old 57.
Old 57. What you doing, Melissa?
I'm just giving this nice little cake batter chuck a little coat of Old 57.
Looking good. I think we could rub a little bit of the yellow through.
Look at this. Are you serious? Watch. This is DIY paint. You see all that rusty mess? Look at this. One coat. One coat, man.
It's a one coat wonder.
It is.
What you got there, Missy?
This is chicken.
Chicken?
Chicken. Go for a truck ride right now.
You want to go? You want to DIY a go-go in the go-go mobile? Chicken! You're so cute! Quiero Taco Bell. Quiero Taco Bell. Chicken, you want to go? You want to
Go
go-go?
for drive? Go for drive?
Chicken.
Drive? A truck ride? A truck ride?
Ellie, how is it here at DIY a
It's just
go-go?
amazing. It's the best store.
Where are you going to go?
It's DIY go-go.
You're going to
Wait,
DIY.
I'm here.
You're here at DIY a go-go? Did you just pull up?
Yeah, we just pulled up.
And how is it?
It's amazing.
Does Chicken, I think Chicken wants to drive.
I think so too.
Chicken,
Chicken, take the wheel. Take it from my paw.